Okay, wave. Hi, you pulling yourself out?
Huh?
Are you gonna pull yourself out?
Of where? Up here?
No, bottom.
I don't think I can.
Try. Get your rope and pull. It's down at your crotch. There you go. Pull. Lift your feet up. You're goofy.
Yeah, here.
What?
I'm going the other way. First rules, always hold on to the string. And I really want to wrap it like this. Get in far enough.
It's cold out.
That's not cold.
Where's your what?
Trout.
Oh,
Oh, what do you think I said?
I didn't know. Now what are you doing? Watch your head. It's freaking cold out. Go out and play, Jen.
And to go over to like where all the dumpsters are.
Yeah?
Tell me if you can see the blue sled.
I can see it from here.
Well, I need to know where the dumpsters are.
No, I can't. I just see your feet.
Take a picture.
I'm taking a video. Jenna. Come on, Jen. Here, Jen. Come on. Run. Run. Come on. Go. Let's go. Come on. Go. Come on. Come here. Come on. Go play in the snow. Happy puppy.